say all nations and 7.9 plus billions of humans. I hope we are all on the same page and you're all providing your extra patience, extra mile of patience, providing quietly listening to my civil justice sign off that is signed off for myself, right? So, and I hope and wish we are all on the same page on that end, and also aware that it is a multitasking as well. Okay, and yes, my dear fellow mankind, this civil justice sign off is because United States of America nation with fatal negligence created the robocall poverty mandate and enforced poverty mandate and also enforced finance disability to I all abruptly, right? And since 2018 I'm having the debt and I'm unemployed. I'm in absolute finance crisis. I need finance help, right? So, and I want only United States of America to provide all the finance aid and job offer, everything. Okay, so yeah, this is how the civil justice is going to be. So I will read the civil justice so that we all can be on the same page, and in front of all nations only I must get the civil justice, and I feel that is the rightful way. Okay. For I, Vedapriya Pro Se, proved scandal of absolute monarchs and Pope Francis' Roman Empire King Herod as of February 2021. Any salary as of tax-free billions of dollars USA government can provide effective immediate using direct deposit to my bank account to I am that I am Vedapriya Pro Se, native Indian tribe, Israelite tribe, Christian Jew of Israel, Judah, Jerusalem, true owner of all nations worldwide can help me. So scandal phases of Republica, Europe nations worldwide as of today is Republica in the 15th century. That is 1-5, okay? The 15th century, the person called Leonardo da Vinci created the Last Supper painting, right? But then, sadly, that Last Supper painting never, it's always in one form or the other in any Christian household worldwide. But it never educated USA Republican government can never enforce poverty, and USA can never create robocall poverty mandate to I Vedapriya Pro Se, a true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, and a true civil supreme judge, and it is fatal negligence of 15th century Leonardo da Vinci Last Supper painting to be fatal negligence. Either USA government should say knows who is Republica 15th century Leonardo da Vinci Last Supper painting, or either USA government should say don't know who is Republica 15th century Leonardo da Vinci Last Supper painting. So what is the error? 15th century Leonardo da Vinci Last Supper painting, it created the robocall poverty mandate, and it is deadliest crime as of February 2021. So that it's a live proof how the United States of American government got shattered only in pieces all the way from 15th century, 16th century, 17th century, 18th century, 19th century, and we are almost in the 21st century. Only how many years left? 79 years left for 21st century, and we don't know how many people will be blessed to see that. Absolutely, I don't know how long I'm going to live, right? I'm already middle-aged. So, but then can you all see how destruction was provided, and still the United States of America in the year of 2021 is all the way back to the caveman era, Stone Age era, not even in the 15th century, because the 15th century itself, that Leonardo da Vinci, a genius, right, in his era, because he was an all-rounder, and he only painted the Last Supper painting. So that means when he painted, he must have a very good intention in his heart. I already said generation of each civilians, they were only reaching out to population in an indirect way. They were not able to provide everything in a direct way, because the prosecution severity was highest. So everywhere worldwide, the people were in a fear mode, survival mode. They just want to live free rather than being died in the Roman Empire in the crucifixion process. They wanted to live in a survival mode at the cost of being shamed, at the cost of being mocked, at the cost of whatever these Roman Empire were doing for hell. They had to chew those injustices and just live for it. And even in that prosecution, he did that painting. Right? He did that painting in a good intention, but nothing happened. Got it? How many centuries passed? Can you all imagine how Queen Elizabeth II only did all this kind of a crap? And never, she was thinking that she could get away with it. No, she will get a disgraceful death, my dear fellow mankind. Right? Who is she? I never asked for Queen Elizabeth crap. Did you all ask for Queen Elizabeth crap? I don't think so. When a civilian using Earth, as of now, they will only say they never asked for Queen Elizabeth crap. When nobody asked for Queen Elizabeth crap, who is USA even get to have authority to allow those Satans to live free? So that's a crime in a crime. At least this Last Supper, so tell me, so Republican GOP leader Mitch McConnell is never a Christian. He proved it. And President Trump also is never a Christian. He proved it. And Republican Supreme Judge Brett Kavanaugh in the United States of America, he's also proved that he's never a Christian. But they are all having what tag? Republica. Republica means what? Conservative. Conservative means what? Following only traditional values. They do not like liberal values. They hate liberal values upfront. But then who on the earth created all kind of a crap? Be it LGBTQ, created by Republicans. Abortion, created by Republicans. Rental home services, created by Republicans. Can you all see how any second, any moment, I would say, this Republican GOP leader will resign, he will run towards wherever his hometown is. He will say, sorry, I will never be in this government office anymore. It's enough. I do not want to get any curse means. He himself will resign. Then imagine the state of President Joe Biden. He will run. He should have started running already. You know, from White House to Delaware, all the way running on the road, on the snowy road, when being 80 years or close to 80 years old, it's a lot of challenge. But the crime is so deadliest. They all will back off. Vices will just back off and run out of that curse. That is what the vices will do. I already educated all, hey Republicans, be transitioned into Democrats immediately means I was not joking. I just did not wanted any of the Republicans to get any of the curse of the Vatican. Let the curse be with Pope Francis, Queen Elizabeth II, let them get the curse. Right? Can you all imagine the severity level of the crime I'm talking about? And it's way beyond the presidency, the Republican government, everything. Even, yes, all those are broken, but keep that aside. But see the real, true root cause of all the hell. So you all must be happy that I, Vedapriya, is the wisest lady. Because it looks as if I am writing civil justice for myself, but it is indeed a lot of multitasking going on that single civil justice sign of itself. Right? So what that painting comes under classification? Domestic violence. When a civilian knows another civilian is doing a foolish act, right? That wise civilian must slap that foolish civilian and must guide to do only wisest ways. When the civilian watching the foolish, being foolish, not guiding in the rightful way, that is a crime classification of domestic violence. So this Last Supper, if only anybody name it, in the Christian world would have known the true meaning of that Last Supper, they would not have provided the robocall poverty mandate at the first place. There would never been that kind of an organization and the welfare the program to enforce poverty in the United States of American government. So USA is never a Christian nation, is proved. It's not today, it's not the scandal, it's not today's scandal, my dear fellow mankind. 15th century. When did Queen Elizabeth started Republican government in Green Bay, Ripon, Wisconsin? 18th century. When I'm talking Queen Elizabeth II, you all must be aware, I am addressing Queen Victoria, Queen Elizabeth I, Queen Mary, whatever the queens they were in the United Kingdom. Every single lady, I would not even address them as a lady. They are the evil demons, devils, right? And that Queen Elizabeth II came in that bloodline only. And she proved that she's never a royal. And that is how she went to every single nation and destroyed everything. Destroyed everything. Emotional level, she destroyed. Even a true love between a man and a woman, she destroyed everything. All in the name of God. All in the name of religion. All in the name of fanatic love of crown. All she wanted only to drink human blood as a form of tax. Nobody knew. Nobody knew. Christian population, each household they have this. At least 99.9% population will have this Last Supper painting in their home worldwide, at least in the Christian population I'm talking about. They never know. Not even one Christian man, not even one Christian woman knows what is the true meaning of Last Supper. Do you all know on the highest level what happened on the Last Supper time? I educated. That's when people came to know that I, Vedapress, is indeed an excellent teacher. Because that many years passed, right? 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th, 20, all passed. Then I stepped in and I educated. That moment when Last Supper means it's a wonderful gathering, right? When people gather around and share the food, happy way, peaceful way. That is one of the layer of that education as well. But then, what is the highest level of layer? Jesus Christ knew he was going to be crucified, but he never told. And that is itself is a puzzle part. He, in the entire crucifixion life cycle, he was only silent. That is all for a communication. What more of a communication people needs? But then people never got it. People never got it that time. Because foolish people always want some proof, always want people to talk, always want people to, they need to know everything, only then they can believe, they need to see the signs. These fake Israelites, they want to see the signs, only then they will believe, otherwise they will not. They are super foolish people, Jews, the fake Jews, I would say. So then, what more of a layer? Is most lovable disciple, right? You all know who I'm going to talk about. Yes, it is. What you're talking, what you're thinking in the Christian population. Yes, my fellow mankind, it is the Judas. He is one of the lovable disciples for Jesus Christ, right? And he knew it is Judas is going to backstab him. He never told that in that Last Supper, right? And then he told only in a Morse code way. That itself is a wisdom part after all. See, I educated whatever in the Holy Bible, it is all in the puzzle code form. So he educated that whoever is going to kiss me or most lovable person knows me, that is the person who is going to backstab me. Means all the disciples were getting that into that guilty mode immediately. They were thinking, oh, is it me? Is it me? Is it me? Which is a very normal kind of panic mode. But he never told that. So, but then what happened? It is a Judas, for the sake of the money I don't know whether it was 30 silver coins or whatever, because those Roman kings are so filthy, so cunning, they can buy anything out of dollars. It has been there in a normal way of life for long, and that is how even the slavery also came into the modern era, right? Even today, the slavery is there. It's because of those bloodline only, right? So they threw some dollars to him, and they wanted to find where Jesus Christ is, and they want to arrest him, and they want to provide the crucifixion. And even in that mode, they were cunningly injected toxins to the innocent population worldwide. So that is how was the Jews who shouted loudest that Jesus Christ must be crucified, because they got misguided that Jesus Christ was misguiding them, but in fact Jesus Christ was only saying love cleanest, holy marriage law. Means he was only displaying God's love to the population. Population never got it. Population were thinking, who on this earth is this Jesus Christ? How stupid can he be? How idiotic can he be? And probably most of the people even must have accused him. And we all know how Islam, Judaism, the non-Christians, they name called Jesus Christ. They name called Jesus Christ as a gay. They name called Jesus Christ as a bisexual. They name called Jesus Christ as a prostitute. They name called Jesus Christ as a polygamy. What not? Right? But it was all foolishness. That is why even on the cross, even when he knew that it is his own fellow mankind only, crucified him, right? He only said what? Father, forgive them, for they don't know what they're doing, and that is the truth. So population might be even mocking for him for that. Absolutely. See, I don't know about my peers. If I was tortured like that on the cross, I would have accused every single people and then died. But then that is how there is a difference, right? Everybody is different. So the Jesus Christ died on the cross is different. Right? And he's never a God. Why? Out of all those 7 words, one word is enough to explain everything of this Jesus Christ in whole entire lifestyle, life cycle. Everything got displayed in one single sentence. What did he say on the cross? Eli, Eli, sabachthani. Sabachthani means, my God, why have you forsaken me? So, that itself is a trace to the Holy Bible verse of John first. Means, it was, what is that verse again? I have to search. Hold on a second. It is John 1:1, right? John 1:1. John 1:1. That says, in the beginning was God, Word, and the Word was God, and the Word was God. Got it? So that is, so you all have to trace it. Each and every, see, the Holy Book Bible is like an open book, meaning when you have to study and analyze, you have to refer here and there, and everything traces correctly. Everything has its own traces and linked correctly. But people have to do it in the rightful way. Otherwise, people, if is going to do it in a wrongful way, they will interpret everything wrongful to the population. That is what has happened by the foolish Christian evangelists, tele-evangelists worldwide. Billy Graham and all, they've fallen trap, means they were enforced to do everything in a wrongful way. Their eyes got blinded. Right? They are all, so that's the reason behind it, there's a truth behind it. So, Jesus Christ is never a God, and is that true? But then, he's never a God. Then who is he? Is he a man? You tell me, is Jesus Christ a man? You all know a testimony I want to provide. When I was working on the Poverty-Free Earth, end of the year 2030 volunteer project, this question everybody has, right? uh, is he a man or is he a God? Like that, right? But then, from my end, I was only educating and I was analyzing more. So I went to the extent that God only gave me the wisdom, my dear fellow mankind. I was doing online, I was referring all the whatever I needed. I was doing only online references, educational services, right? Just like that, whatever the medical students have to learn in the medical school for entire 10 years of time, because it will take that much of time to study the anatomy of the human body, right? But God gave me the wisdom. Within I was able to learn whatever it's needed, and I even proved that, sorry my fellow mankind, Jesus Christ died on the cross, never a man either. And people were shocked at the first time. Wow, like that. And I educated how. And I also said that this Jesus Christ who died on the cross was never created from the sperm or ovum, meaning to, for a baby to be formed, at least one sperm and at least one ovum is needed, right? So without that, conception of getting pregnant for a woman is impossible, and they cannot do that in the womb of a man. Men cannot become pregnant. Remember the physical structure, the way the bones and everything form for a man is totally different from the women. And that is why woman is called as a womb of a man, meaning if at all the people wants to know where is the womb of a man, then the man at the womb of the man is a woman. Only through woman a man can be seen, is a wisdom. Okay, I will explain that later. So I educated that, I proved. So it was a super fire slap on the doctors and the theologians and the atheisms who were breaking their own heads, and they were just telling that Holy Bible is false, fake, and only science is truth, and only Charles Darwin theory is truth, like that, and they were destroying the human race worldwide. I just stepped in and I slapped everybody and I just explained the truth. Everybody was shocked that moment. It was anywhere between spring 2014 and 2016 itself. Sometime anywhere between spring of 2014 or between 2016 itself, I explained that truth. Good. So, why? And I explained it that with a proof, absolute proof. And that is why he is never married. And I also said, hey population, hey nations, hey men population, hey women population. If at all you all love to mock or bully the Jesus Christ who died on the cross, please for heaven's sake stop it. Mock me, it's okay. Just mock me. Mock me whatever you want. Mock me with whatever filth you want. It's okay. That's all I was educating them. Please do not do that. Please do not mock him. No. Okay. So that said, this again took little bit time because I have to explain about the Last Supper true meaning, right? And even till date, worldwide people recognize that Maundy, they call it as a Maundy Thursday, that the day before Good Friday, and they go to the church service. They take part in the communion service for the remembrance of the Last Supper. Because it says that, remember this bread, meaning being aware I am the bread of the life. That's what Jesus, right? He died on the cross, and remember his death. Why he died? He died for everybody. He was not partial. He died for everybody. And then he shed blood, and that blood is to clean all the shame, all the guilt of the population, of anything. You name the shame, you name the guilt, you name the abuse of anything. Everything he cleaned it, he cleared it, just because of he died alone. Then, what more is the truth? God never created crucifixion for Jesus Christ. Please write that on your skull, my dear fellow mankind. No. It is through this crucifixion, it is through the blood shed of the Jesus Christ, it is God's unconditional love is displayed. After all, is the wisdom. Why? This Roman Empire king, the Queen of Elizabeth II, only tied the hands of the true God of true Christianity. Because they were the ones who enforced crucifixion for Jesus Christ. They were searching for him. Remember, if you go to that before Christ era and the Christ era and after that Christ era, that itself says that whatever incidents happened is happened. It's for real. People witnessed it. Right? So, his lifetime was what? 33 years, very prime young age, right? That's when people will start their life, everything, and that's when he died. 33 age, I would say, yeah. It's my understanding. If I'm wrong again, they're disregarded. But so, imagine. So I educated why he's not married, because on a cell level, the human cells level, there is one particular cell that is missing. That is how, even when all kinds of temptations means a man not liking a woman it's a disability, right? Or a woman not liking a man is a disability. So people were only cursing Jesus Christ, the foolish people. Either he must be a gay, either he must be a prostitute, like that, blah, blah, blah. But then, what more of the truth? Nations banned. It was a national punishment when any of the non-Jews were they were never allowed to talk to the Jews. No, never. Because the Jews were always wisest, always cleanest love, always innocent, purest heart. And anybody gets to talk with the true Israelite Jews, they'll become wisest. And nations never wanted that. They wanted always the population to be not educated mode only. Okay? So, yes. So, now we all got it. Either Pope Francis, I have to say, he knows who is Leonardo da Vinci, or Pope Francis has to say he don't know who he is. Either ways, he will be thrown in where? Volcano in Hawaii. Because even if you see the patterns, be it Nostradamus, he is a doctor. Da Vinci is also a world-renowned all-rounder. He's genius. He has his own talent in everything. Like some people are talented, gifted, I would say, right? Talented in anything and everything you name it, they'll be talented. And then if you're going to look into the Charles Darwin, even he's talented in his own ways. But only thing, he himself was abused by the Queen Elizabeth to provide a wrongful theory. When he himself created the theory, his whole labor is an absolute labor, costless labor, right? But then it was enforced to be abusive. With one sentence, monkeys created humans. That's all. To tear down all the human nations worldwide in pieces, that one sentence is enough. And it was mandated by Pope Francis, and Charles Darwin was abused. See, that's why all these people were all Europeans only. If you name Shakespeare, European. If you see the Tale of Two Cities written by that person, is an European. So Europeans, they had all that's talented, but then they all got mandated to be wasted. Monsanto is 100 years old company, and it got abused by Queen Elizabeth II only. Punnett Square means genetic engineering started way long back, 100 years back. Because that time itself, the Queen Elizabeth II wanted to create deformity for fellow mankind. Destroy everything. And with that, the genetic modified foods provided alone, for the past 500 years, generations have been lost, and without any awareness. People never knew. People thought they become infertility out of it's their fault, but no. And people were thinking they were getting cancers and birth defects, and they were having that shame, but they were thinking it is their fault. No, it is never their fault. It's a 100 years old scandal. What I'm talking about, the Monsanto providing scandal today, it is an 100 years old of scandal. Poison has been accumulated that many years. And with my education, only Monsanto and Bayer's got immediately merged, and USA provided that help. It's $1 trillion help they provided. I said that is all is needed for me to provide the next design process. That is all I needed. I want the mergers to happen this way only. Means I just provided the task, and they USA provide the task without asking me any question, says it all. So yes, this particular civil justice is for the 15th century. I am just mentioning the 15th means you all should know this crime the crime so deadly is, it's not one day crime. Pope and Queen Elizabeth were thinking that they could get away free with whatever scandal they provided, and that many centuries passed. 15th century passed, 16th passed, 17th, 18th, 19th. You all might be thinking it is everybody was thinking and still thinking only Hitler, the late German leader, only created World War II, only created the Germany treaty pact to start the Jews program. Means they have to disperse all the Jews in their nations. So how to get rid of them? Either burn them in ashes, or enforce deformity to them, or separate their loved ones. Holocaust is never a joke. These are all was created in an organized way by Pope Francis and the Queen Elizabeth II. Who got the curse? Who got the curse? You all know who got the curse, and I am the only one who is going to get civil justice for late Germany leader Hitler. Nobody. And that is when, that moment, 101% means even there is more percentage of Germans worldwide displaced in anywhere in the across the globe. They all fell down on the knees before me, and they even feared, am I a reincarnation of Hitler? But then again I educated, sorry, I'm not reincarnation, but I'm born to provide bailout for all the innocent population. Whatever happened, whatever will happen, whatever is happening now, I will provide everything. So who is innocent after all? Germany, late leader Hitler is innocent. Absolutely innocent. And how many people are there? Not even one German able to stand up and slap on the face of Queen Elizabeth II and say, hey, get out. Hitler is innocent. Pope, get out. Hitler is innocent. Nobody was able to say. But then when I said that, who is innocent and who is not, that's when the Germans' entire white skin, I have to provide that white skin in a very stressful way, because people are thinking white skin people never listen to the colored skin. I am colored skin. So that means, according to the logic, only the white skin European, be it France or German or Ireland or Scotland, should have stood up and said loudest that late German leader Hitler is innocent. But they never did that. That says it all. And I am woman after all, colored skin, black skin. And I'm saying, that's what I'm providing unbiased justice. And that is why all nations wanted me only to be the judge, supreme judge for all nations. And every nation wanted me only to be their national leaders. It was the very first time each generation, German population were even hearing in their ears, God-given ears, that late Germany leader Hitler is innocent. I proved it. And I proved, because people wanted only proof. These foolish people, they wanted proof. They cannot believe just like that. But what is a excellent belief is without knowing anything, without seeing anything, only people should believe. But that's not the reality. They have to know, they have to see the signs like that. Then I explained, see, Queen Elizabeth II started that Nazism, started that KKK from Protestant organization from Scotland. It's all a same organization but in different variations. All created only for tax. Nobody knew. People were thinking KKK is something, but KKK started in Scotland for Protestant to provide the deadliest crime. So I already said Protestants are no angels either. Right? They were, so it was a scandal and a scam. It became a scandal and a scandal. That is all. They wanted to get separated from Roman Catholic, but still they wanted to create more hell on their own standards. So Scotland is handcuffed, Ireland is handcuffed, all are handcuffed. So be happy. Nobody can mock nobody. Nobody can mock nobody. So it happened only in the 15th century, right? Then I educated, dear fellow mankind, this evil, mean Queen Elizabeth II during the British colonization. That time state of Wisconsin was even not established to be state. It was colonized. Means it was absolutely ruled by Queen Elizabeth II. Even today it is ruled only by Queen Elizabeth II, the truth. Right? We all know that Roman province Jesuits, one of the organization is headquartered only in state of Wisconsin as a proof. That is all it's all about. Right? So then, when was Germany, Hitler, late Hitler was born? Only in 1889, if I understood it correctly. Oh, that is 1889. So that means almost he is touching to the 19th century, 20 years or so. So by the time the World War II was about to start, 19th century, that means early 1910, 1915-ish, right? Or 1930, 1945, around that time only, that whole World War II, famine, Germany, France, everybody, Europe nations was not in peace that moment. But then sadly, Asian nations never had any clue what was going on in the Europe. They were having separate hell on their end and Europeans have separate hell on their end. That is how the colonization functions. Nobody will know nobody like that more. Got it? So that is why only with my education Asian nations came to know about the deadliest African slavery. Otherwise nobody knew. Nobody knows in Asian nations until I educated them. Their blood started to boil. Because that we are all humans, right? Nobody likes injustice. So tell me, what is President Joe Biden going to do about that? Because I'm saying Germany, late Hitler, is innocent. World War II created by Queen Elizabeth II and Pope Francis. The people who were tortured to death and thrown on the approximately 16,000 gas chambers in Warsaw, Poland, was created by Pope Francis and Queen Elizabeth II only, nobody else. What is President Joe Biden going to do about that? And that too, 18th means what? 18th century went, 19th century went, 21st century, today 2021. I will say President Joe Biden, if you can roll on the road or do whatever, go bring back late Germany leader Hitler alive now for civil justice to be served. This is what I will say. Can you do that? Please do not laugh. It is not funny. Can President Joe Biden do that? No, right? So civil justice must be served accordingly. So can you all see in each and every single session, every crime is revealed in a multitasking mode? So nobody knew the real meaning of this Last Supper. So that means if only at least one civilian knew the true meaning of why Jesus Christ died on the cross, none of this hell would have been created. None. So be aware that the prosecution was provided to the true Christian Jews is forever. It is happening even now. I am true Israelite Christian Jew, my dear fellow mankind. That is why the state of Wisconsin provided the prosecution to me. It is happening. It is happening every single day. Not anymore. Not anymore. So you all might be wondering why this stupid lady is bringing the painting for a civil justice means. Now we all got it, right? For how many dollars or how many euro dollars that painting alone is being sold? Everybody loves that painting. At least I'm talking about the Christian population. Non-Christians will not have any clue about that. So they are all absolute innocent. I already educated. So just leave them aside. So yes, whatever hell was created then, today those Queen Elizabeth II, 95 years, right, or 100 years, whatever years she may be, she's a crap. She's a total garbage after all. Who is she to destroy the human's life worldwide? Who is she? Who is she? Who gave that authority to her? USA is in deadliest crime mode, my dear fellow mankind. Please do not laugh at my civil justice. No. USA is in absolute deadliest curse right now. President Joe Biden must resign now. When I'm going to ask him for the civil justice, he will say he will rather enjoy his retirement life. Can you all tell me, can he bring back the late Germany leader Hitler now alive? Tell me, yes or no? Do you all know why I slapped on the entire 100% population of Germans in United States and worldwide? Do you all know why? Out of entire human kingdom, at least in the very recent 30, 50 years or 100 years of era, during late Hitler era, right? He's the shortest man, but that never bothered him. He became a leader. That is his talent given by God, right? Then, he's a Roman Catholic Christian. He was an immigrant from Austria to Germany for a better prospects, only he immigrated. But then his poverty, his immigration status was exploited. He was thinking he was creating an organization to help out all the poverty population because he was himself a poverty mode only, right? Then that is how people can understand what exactly is a poverty. So he wanted to create an organization itself. Even today that organization is alive because of that few good intention he started. But then it all got destroyed just by Queen Elizabeth II. I already said whoever works towards to eradicate poverty, they'll be killed, no matter what. And then what more he did? He banned tobacco and alcohol, which triggered more anger for Queen Elizabeth II because she will never get any tax, she will not get any money to eat every day. When this kind of a good man is doing something good for the wellness of health for mankind. Imagine for entire Germany to discipline the population and then just ban the tobacco and alcohol means it's a lot of labor, my dear fellow mankind. It's an excellent team effort and governance that we provided. He did that. Then what she did? She ordered all the German doctors, the Bayers, right? The big giant pharmaceuticals are only from Germany. Nowhere else. That is why every crime has been traced correctly. So they created morphine according to the Queen Elizabeth II instructions. They injected that to German Hitler. His brain got destroyed first. So, how an innocent man was welcomed on earth, how excellent was his talent, governance. Yes, he was a very shortest man on earth, but that never even bothered the population when he was providing all excellent governance, right? If people were only looking after his excellent governance and leadership. But then all got changed. His brain was destroyed first to him to become a nuclear bomb. That means German late leader Hitler was first killed by Queen Elizabeth II and Pope Francis to become a nuclear bomb himself, like a self-assassinator kind of a thing. And that is how he provided all the L in the entire World War II programs. So who got the curse? Who looked at fault mode? Who looked like godly mode? You all tell me. I'm just displaying the true criminals one side and the innocent the other side. You all tell me how people got fooled. And it was only educated population got fooled. Even if you're going to ask any national leader, the Republicans, be it George W. Bush or anybody, they'll say, oh hell no, do not talk about that name, Hitler. And these fake Jews, already they are fake. They don't even know they are fake. That itself is a disability. That itself is an upfront innocent. Right? When people don't know they are in a fake Jewish mode, that itself disability. But beyond that disability, what are they saying in the foolish mode? Oh no, we just do not like the word swastika. Yes, as a true civil doctor, I get it. Because they went through hell. That is what the Holocaust means. So whatever that hell life cycle, the processing, they want to create a word. People do not want to keep on talking about that, whatever that went in that darkest era. So they just threw a word called Holocaust. And even among that, there were foolish people who were providing controversies telling that it never even happened. How foolish can they be? How foolish can they be? How foolish can they be? Right? Because they are all getting money when they are providing controversies, when like that. And they got paid in the name of freedom of speech. So when I'm saying German late leader Hitler is innocent, he's innocent. That's the truth. That's the raw truth. I want all the Jews population to accept that reality. Just chew that reality, my dear fellow mankind. It is okay. It might be a total shock after long years. Means even I already said, even the medical finance aid provided, like $1 million, $15 million to all the Jewish survivors, it's all wrong. Because on the baseline, on the bottom line, even the Jews addressing themselves are not even Jews after all. They are Islam after all. They are Zionisms after all. They are the deadliest paganists after all. USA never knew. USA wanted only the Christian words here and there to blind us belief. They got fooled. And I said, I'm not against that whatever $1 million given to those fake Jews, because they are all my blood drops and I know how their brains got destroyed. So I'm not against that. I'm all against this Pope Francis and the Queen Elizabeth II, how worldwide fooled and destroyed every single operations. It's a crime that USA provided that Jew survivor medical welfare program, that giving away millions of dollars free to the Jews was wrong. Why wrong? The same time World War II and all this crap was happening in Europe, same level of severity of the Holocaust in a different version was happening in Greece, was happening in Africa, was happening in Asia, China, Korea, Japan, everywhere it was happening, world by world, region by region, even in Sri Lanka, India, Tamil Nadu. People were shedding their bloods and dying every single day. USA never bothered to provide those programs to them. That itself is a crime. Can President Joe Biden provide, add interest and then pay that penalty now to each African in African continent, or each South American in South America, or each Asian in Asian nations, or Middle East Asians? Yes or no? Tell me. They provided the $1 million Jew survivors only to the people of France and Germany and Ireland and Scotland and Dubai, like that. See, when I said President Joe Biden will choose to resign than to be a president, I was not joking, my dear fellow mankind. I was not joking. It might seem so rude for me to say just get out of the White House now. Means when people are in a disciplinarian mode, like the parent when they are disciplining the children will not even understand why parents are disciplining, but they have to discipline anyways. Like that only. So though President Joe Biden is elder to me, I am disciplining him. It is almost like a parent-child disciplining process. Only is the wisdom. So by addressing this 15th century Leonardo da Vinci Last Supper painting crime, I am solving 500, not even 500, like 5,000, 50,000 years of crime. I'm solving it. And for that itself, I must get a $1 billion salary right now. People were wondering whether that painting is true, whether that painting has any hidden message, right? You all know there is another controversy that in that entire Last Supper painting, there is one lady. Oh, is that a lover of Jesus Christ? Come on, my fellow mankind. It's a thing to laugh out loud, right? When there is a absolute frustration and anger mode is going on, there is one kind of a joke that they wanted to create, again to damage the human brain nerve cells only. People were worshipping Da Vinci as a god. So when they were worshipping Da Vinci as a god, the foolish people will believe blind as whatever he's saying. I already said. So he was name called as a polygamy, Jesus Christ. He was named called as a LGBT, like lesbian, gays, like that, transgender, like that. And he was even name called as a prostitute, and he was name called as he has a lover. Right? So that is why there's that one lady in that Last Supper painting, like that. It was advertised. See, these marketing strategies was even followed by the CNN, one of the common news channels. So educated population only got fooled every single day. Even the news media provided their share of show, providing their abuse from their end. They have to act, they have to display whatever that is not true, right? So they did their job on their end. So that is not true, right? So can you all see why God chose me to step in and educate everything? Whatever happened, not today. Whatever happened means even since day one, the Adam Eve, right? I am the only one who is going to bail them out, itself, because people are super mad, right? People have been cursing them only. Why on the earth you created that, whatever that sexual immorality? Because of that only we all got cursed. Means people are super mad at them. But then I am the only one who is going to even bail out them and provide the rightful justice for them as well. So you all keep working on who am I. Okay? So yeah, this session went long. I think it is almost 54 minutes. So I will try to read the last part of the last chunk of that civil justice sign-off, okay? As of February 2021, civil justice sign-off to be served to I, Vedapriya Pro Se. I, Vedapriya Pro se, true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil supreme judge, own the text for ongoing civil justice sign-off, Republica, 15th century Leonardo da Vinci Last Supper painting. With fatal negligence, failed to educate USA cannot create robocall poverty mandate, and by default created Republica USA robocall poverty mandate. To I, Vedapriya Pro se, true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil supreme judge, and Republica government GOP leader Mitch McConnell, President Trump, Supreme Court Judge Brett Kavanaugh in October 2018 only enforced poverty mandate to I, and took away $4,500 on October 2018 abruptly and enforced poverty for me. And that's how I became, I'm having the debt of $10,210.38 since October 2018, October 2019, October 2020. And financial disability was also enforced. So it is crime for Republica, 15th century Leonardo da Vinci Last Supper painting, when ruling USA never educated, USA should never enforce poverty to I, Vedapriya Pro se, civil lawyer. So I, Pro se, want United States of America Citibank CEO to pay off my debt, $10,210.38, and sign off tax-free $4,500 direct deposit to my bank account. And 15th century Leonardo da Vinci Last Supper painting must sign off tax-free $1,000 billion and direct deposit to my bank account. And at fault found guilty, Holy Highness God of USA, either Queen Elizabeth II and Pope Francis should say they know what is Last Supper, or they should say they don't know what is Last Supper. I know that they are not Christians. I know they are Islam and Judaism. So it will be super fun for whatever their answer they're going to get, provided they are still be thrown in the volcano in Hawaii. And Republican government will do the needful. And for I displayed the absolute monarch scandal to USA government, I, Vedapriya Pro se, for civil justice want USA to rename the Lord Ripon building in Tamil Nadu, India after my name as Vedapriya. Is a civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Pro se, to become the Supreme Chief Civil Judge for all nations, is civil justice served. And Pope Francis must resign abruptly now, is civil justice served to me. And I, Vedapriya Pro se, to become the Supreme Chief Judge for all nations, now is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Pro se, to become the Supreme Chief Family Law Judge for all nations, is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Pro se, to become Global Poverty Relief Medical Director, Chief for all nations, to lead and guide World Bank, United Nations organizations, World Health Organization, Center for Disease Control, DCF, DHS, DOJ, DR, Revenue, Agriculture, Imports, Exports, Military, etc. in all nations across the globe, is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Pro se, to be ambassador for all nations starting with India, is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Pro se, must get dual citizenship of USA and India, now is civil justice served. And I hope we are all on the same page. And yes, my dear fellow mankind, it took 57 minutes, almost 58 to 59 minutes. So please be patient. And yes, I cracked down all the puzzles. Okay, already long time back. I have to get the salary rightful way. And the USA owes me a lot of salary. From Pro se salary for finance aid for provided the poverty robocall, to more is there. I have to explain all with proof. Yeah, USA have to provide me the job offer immediately. I have to be the Supreme Judge. I have to be the Vatican leader now immediately. I have to be the Global Poverty Relief Medical Director immediately. Right? Because only I can provide all the solutions. And yes, my dear fellow mankind, with 1 minute, 60 seconds mode, I can get the civil justice for entire human kingdom worldwide. Please be patient, okay? So talk to you all soon. Take care. Bye for now.